Time once again for a friendly toy exchange. Hey, I said friendly. Spray-on cheese.
Wow.
Wouldn't exactly call that a toy. Wow, did you know it could do that? Hey, what's with that look in her eyes? You know, you should probably ask before you put your mouth on something. What's this now? An egg opener? I never would have guessed eggs were so hard to break. Don't worry, folks. That chick is just here to watch the show. Well, it said it would open them, and it opened them. You know, if the chick seems to like it, who am I to question it? Watermelon is healthy and delicious, but doesn't make a mess. If only cutting it up didn't have to be such a chore. Hint, hint. Wow, a watermelon slicer cutter. Isn't that kind of the same thing? Either way, it slices, or cuts, as advertised. Really getting your money's worth. Aw, cute. It's already in bite-sized pieces. I can finally toss that melon baller. I was kind of hoping she was paying attention during our little presentation. Let's just be happy she's eating more produce. What's next? Oh, here's a device for strawberries. But what makes them so special? Let's see what else it can do. Aha, you can use it on a tomato too. Or a slice of pineapple. But why stop at food? Let's try it out on other things, like this little toy ball. Ha, good idea. Just look at it come to pieces. So basically, it cuts anything soft and malleable. That's good to know. What a cute little frog. I think I will name him Kermit. And he's got a little pig friend too. How oddly appropriate. And together, they can suck up all those egg yolks. And look cute while doing it, I might add. Now, nothing can stop you from making meringue cookies. In other words, I want you to make some meringue cookies. If not for me, then for the pig. Aw, give us a kiss. What more treasures does the magic pot hold? A lemon squeezer. Well, it fits right on the lemon. So far, so good. Wow, it turns the lemon into a spritz bottle. You can really perk up that salmon and side salad. Or just do that. And this is why lemon juice is rarely the main event. Oh no, she's already gone mad with power! Will it work? Well, if she doesn't mind holding that big melon, why not? A cucumber sharpener.
Wow.
These kitchen gadgets are getting really specific. Well, first things first, let's try it out. If you ever need to shave a cucumber, your prayers have been answered. I wonder if it works on pickles too. Okay, maybe we shouldn't let this girl stay in the kitchen unsupervised. What's next on the menu? Oh, how cute. It's a bunny. Ah, it's an egg mold. This should come in handy for Easter. Oh, look, a skull. Must be for Halloween. Or maybe she just likes skulls. Either way, let's see it in action. First, pour out the whites. How cute. The eye sockets are for the yolks. Let's steam it up. The bunny? We must have skipped a few scenes. Yeah, kinda defeats the purpose of a stencil not to stay in the lines. But to be fair, skulls aren't really supposed to have eyes anyway. Still, let's wish everyone a happy Groundhog Day. Or whatever this is for. What's up next? A finger knife. Beats sharpening your nails. Technically, your thumb isn't a finger, but why split hairs? Yeah, be careful around sharp objects. Let's see it in action. Make sure to practice, and soon you'll work your way up to being Wolverine. Schnick, schnick. Yeah, I read that he's just a whiz in the kitchen, at least when it comes to cutting. Of course, some people just don't have the patience to, well, use utensils. But they sometimes learn the hard way it's not such a bad idea. Beware? I know girls who say the same thing about their acrylics. Well, whatever this next device is for, it's certainly alliterative. Oh, forget wordplay. Anything involving potatoes is A-OK in my book. I mean, what other root vegetable can you make into chips and fries? Aside from taro, that is. Shoot, it's a baby tornado potato. Kinda looks like spiral pasta. Try to see if you can stretch it out. 3, 2, 1. Ha! Even better. You get 2 potato spirals for the price of 1. What else can we try this on? Oh wow, a spiral carrot! Isn't that just adorable? And look, it's actually kind of bouncy. Up next, the cucumber, best known for turning into pickles. Wow, she managed to make it a spiral while keeping the skin on. It's that trick where you cut a banana with a toothpick all over again. And just like the carrot, it's a little bit stretchy too. Okay, I think she's starting to get mad with power. Maybe we should move on. Yeah, good idea. What's next? Look, an orange peeler. Guess we're back to those items with really specific uses. Normally, I wouldn't want anything that peels stuff on my finger, but that seems to be par for the course here. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, great success! The part of the peel comes clean off. In other words, it's time for clementines to step up their game. See? Wow. It even opens up like a flower. Such a beautiful… What the? I was wondering what happened to her. Well, I guess that's another way to open up your orange. Still, I think people want a sense of style with their fruit. It's time for our next item. What's this now? A slicer? You're telling me that's the best name their marketing team could come up with? I mean, it's short and simple. I'm not complaining, but still. Well, either way, at least it seems to be working. That's good. Wow, tomatoes, radishes, and does it even work on strawberries? Yes, it does! I guess a tool like this really speaks for itself. Cool. Are we making kebabs, but bite-sized? Well, this looks kind of cute. Oh, it's another slicing device. Let's try it. Kinda looks like a comb, but don't put it in your hair. Put it in your onion. It's clever, but you kinda want a device that does the slicing for you. That said, she doesn't seem to mind. Actually, she seems to be getting a little too into all that slicing. Either this girl just got a catering job, or she's using up all our veggies. Oh well, at least we have another excuse to eat more vegetables. And when you're done slicing, the device adds a little bit of flair. Slice-tastic tools, right? Catch you next time. Careful now, don't wake Granny! Ooh, what does this button do? Oh no! Her hard candies! Looks like we woke the other one too! In Granny's day, they didn't have fancy board games. Look, she'll show you how to make your own fun. It's the Opila bird, in cardboard form. And it looks like it's feeding time. Just leave some candy for the rest of us. Wow. Chopsticks? Oh, glow stick chopsticks! Enjoy your favorite noodles, or just go to a nice dance party. Either way, seems like a great time. Of course, Grandma prefers to eat with a friend. This doll may be dressed for the occasion. But she's not just the guest of honor. No, she's going to be our new utensils. Make like ballet class and do a little twist. Still, could use a little more salt. Wow, now that's what I call a gummy worm. Ladies, please, there's plenty to go around. In fact, Why don't we slice it all up? Now they're gummy buttons. Just the thing to sink your teeth into. But Nana's got her own recipe. To make a whole colony of worms. Crunch up some cookies for a little dirt pudding. Now it's time to start cleaning your plate. Tomato juice. But you should really aim for the cup. Maybe this drink dispenser should help. Just pour and it goes right into the cups. Ooh, this would be great for guests. But if you don't have this cool tool, don't worry. Just poke holes in a paper cup. And add a juice or soda bottle inside. Oh, great idea! Add some straws. Twist the top, and the fountain's running. Probably should keep some cups handy. Where do you get all these tiny glasses anyway? I've heard of ladyfingers, but not like this. Wait a minute. Those are some sneaky sausages. And this'll cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Do you think Grandma will want some? No, she's got her own idea. Add metal wires to the end of a baster. And run the hot dog through. Wow, they're like French fried Frankfurters. Try saying that 5 times fast. Don't worry, our peanut butter machine isn't really scary. Unless, of course, you're a peanut. So, do you prefer chunky or smooth? Told you he wouldn't bite. Well, I meant to. Granny, on the other hand, is a different story. And what big teeth you have, Grandma! All the better to open this melted chocolate. Use it to draw anything you want over ice. Oh, a spider web! Just the thing for some spooky cupcakes. An egg mold? Well, let's get cracking. Now dunk in some boiling water. Good thing we've had some cooking. Just look at all the shapes you can make. But Nana has her own method. Take some foil and bend it into a shape. You can even separate the yolks. Ooh, I've got my eye on this egg. Talk about a seafood diet. Granny prefers food with a face. Uh-oh! Who knew there was such a thing as too much syrup? Try this dispenser. You can make a bunch of jelly flowers. Perfect thing for dipping cookies when you run out of milk. Now it's Granny's turn. She's got her 3D pen. Yeah, this grandma's a real tech whiz. What's that she's drawing? Whoa, a skull! Starting to see where Wednesday here got her spookiness. Fries! And it's great for dipping, too. What a cute pig. Let's feed it seeds. Must be a blowhole situation. Ooh, the swine shells the sunflower seeds. Now try saying that one 5 times fast. Ooh, messy. It's okay. All you need's a plastic bag. It's like a bib you hang on your ears. Chew on those seeds and spit them out. I wonder if this works with watermelon. Well, when life gives you lemons, you know the rest. Let's start squeezing. Have we collected enough juice?
Wow.
Yeah, she likes her lemon juice nice and tart. Grandma prefers to use the tops of old bottles. But either way, orange juice straight from the source. Extra pulp, just the way Nana likes it. Why don't you try? Well, I guess Grandma knows best.